This 2026 East to West Alta 2600 KRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 30 feet 5 inches in length and features a Westfield Latte interior, Sleeps 7, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, skylight, air conditioning, awning, refrigerator, oven, LP detector, water heater, smoke detector, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 East to West Alta 2600 KRB is 6,925 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.